Hey, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio. Did you notice my helper? I've got four hands in the studio, and it's so exciting. I'm mentoring an eighth grade student at the Sandpoint Waldorf School where my kids attend school. And yeah, so it's been really cool. She's been in my studio with me quite a bit. I'm just kind of taking her along for the ride on some of these large paintings. And yeah, this is painting number one for the Bliss series that I'm working on that will all be installed into one home. And this is for above the fireplace, and it's got some drama. It's a big canvas, 40 by 60 inches. So I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, going with a lot of different materials. So this is just the pearl base coat with some pearl different puddle paints on top. If you're curious about these terms, I've got some links below that kind of go into more detail on what those terms mean. Hopefully I'm going to be coming out with an online course as well to go into more detail and really teach this in a little bit more depth, which I also do at events. So lots of ways to engage with me as an artist. But I do a few things differently in this painting. I'm going to go in with a little bit of spray paint, which I really enjoyed. And then there is going to be some high flow by Golden. And Golden, the high flow is a type of their paint, and I'm using the iridescent gold, and I kind of go in with some of that. Very reminiscent of a painting I did called Gold Moon a couple years ago. This TriArt mirror paint is incredible. You can actually see it starting to react there. Those beautiful, like iridescent white mirror pearls that are coming up. Very, very cool effect. So I'm going to be playing with that some more as well. And if you enjoy this, please like, share, subscribe, all the good things. All those things really help me to continue to share my art and to continue on this journey. So it all means the world. My Patreon account, there's all sorts of wonderful ways to get involved um, in fluid art. So I look forward to engaging with you more, and just thank you for being here today. Much love. Please stay till the end. There is the dried results and just watching this whole process unfold. I hope you enjoy it. All right, much love. Take care.